Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Apple just unveiled the iPhone 17, and this year
it comes
the standard
with some
model got some
seriously
serious
impressive
upgrades.
Today
we're focusing on the standard model.
phone special.
Let's see what makes it stand
Design
out.
and display.
The iPhone
Display
17
and design.
has a
The
6.3-inch
iPhone
Super
17
Retina
features
XDR
a
display with
6.3-inch
ProMotion,
Super Retina
giving you buttery
XDR
smooth
display
refresh rates
with
up to
ProMotion,
120 Hz,
delivering
that
smoother
means everything
scrolling
from
and brighter
scrolling to
visuals.
gaming feels
The
faster
front now
and
has
sharper.
ceramic shield
Apple
2,
also added
which is
ceramic
3
shield
times
2,
more scratch
which is
resistant
3
and
times
reduces
more
glare,
scratch resistant
keeping
and
your screen
reduces
safer
glare.
than ever.
So the screen is tougher
Camera
than ever.
system.
On the back,
Camera
the iPhone
upgrades.
17 has
On the
a
front,
48-megapixel
the all-new
Fusion
center
main
stage
camera
is
with
now
macro
up to 18
capability
megapixels.
and a 2x
It makes
telephoto
selfies
lens.
smarter,
This
group
lets you
shots
capture
wider,
sharper
and
photos
video
and
calls
stunning
more
close-ups.
dynamic.
On the
back,
front, the center stage camera has 18-megapixel dual fusion system,
giving you wider
you get better
selfies
low-light
and
photos,
stabilized
macro
video.
shots.
It
and a
also
crisp
supports
2x
dual
telephoto
capture,
zoom,
so you can record
all
with
on the
both
base
front and
iPhone
rear cameras
17
simultaneously.
Performance and battery.
Performance and
Powering
battery.
it all is the
Inside,
A19
the A19 chip,
which
powers
boosts
everything from
performance while
gaming to
saving energy.
photography.
Battery
while
life
keeping
is
energy
also usage
improved.
efficient.
Up to
Battery
30
life
hours
is
of
improved
video
too,
playback,
offering up to
which is
30
8 more
hours of video
compared to
playback.
last year's
8 more
iPhone
hours
16.
than the previous
Plus,
iPhone 16.
adaptive power
Plus,
mode learns your usage
adaptive power
and
mode
stretches
helps extend
battery
your daily
life
usage
even further.
Colors and
Storage and colors.
You can choose from 5 colors:
lavender,
black,
sage,
lavender,
mist blue,
white,
and
black.
Sage,
Storage
and white.
starts at
Storage
256
starts at
gigabytes
256
and goes up to
gigabytes
512
and goes up to
gigabytes,
512
giving you
gigabytes,
plenty of room for
giving
apps,
plenty of room
photos,
for apps,
and videos.
photos and videos.
Price and
Availability and pricing.
The iPhone 17
Pre-orders
starts
Friday,
at $799,
and shipping begins
Pre-orders
Friday,
open on
September
September
19th.
12th. The iPhone 17 starts at $799. With financing options available.
So, what do you think of the
So
iPhone
what do you think
17?
of the iPhone 17?
Is this the upgrade you've
Are you
been
ready
waiting
to upgrade,
for?
or are
waiting
you
for
eyeing
one of the
Pro
Pro
models
models
instead?
Let me know
in
the comments.
Don't forget
And
to
as
like,
always,
subscribe,
don't forget to like
and hit the
subscribe,
notification bell
and
so you
tap the
won't miss my
notification
upcoming
bell
videos
so you
on the
never miss an
iPhone
upload.
17 Air.
I'll have more
Pro,
breakdowns
and
coming
Pro
up on the
Max.
iPhone 17
See you in
Air
the next
Pro
one.
and Pro